everyone, I am Gauri Sharma offering you a declamation on the very famous topic House divided by famous President of USA, Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Mr. President and gentlemen of the convention, if we could first know where we are and whether we are tending, we could better judge what to do and how to do it. We are now far into the fifth year since our policy was initiated by the avoided object and confident promise of putting an end to slavery graduation. Under the operation of that policy, the agitation has not only not ceased but has constantly augmented. In my opinion, it will not cease until a crisis shall have been reached and passed. I believe this government cannot ensure permanently half slave and half free. I do not accept the union to be dissolved. I do not accept the house to fall, but I do accept it will cease to be divided. It will become all one thing or all the other. Either the opponents of slavery will arrest the further spread of it and place it where the public mind shall rest in belief that it in a course of ultimate extinction, or its advocates will push it forward till it shall become alike lawful in all the states, old as well as new, north as well as the south. Have we no tendency to the latter condition? Let anyone who doubts carefully contemplate that now almost complete legal combination piece of machinery, so to speak, compounded of the Nebraska Doctrine and the Dred Scott decision. Let him consider not only what work the machinery is adapted to and now well adapted, but also let him study the history, its construction, and trace if he can, or rather fail if he can, to trace the evidence of design and concert of action among its chief bosses from the beginning. But so far, Congress only had acted an inducement by the people. Real or apparent was insensible to save the point already gained and give chance for more. Thank you.